Guys, I got my microcord package, so I figured I would unbox it outside in some natural light and show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is my microcord package. I get all my microcord from SKU'd because they have specifically 1.18 millimeter microcord. Any thicker than that, I become irate and I don't like it. So we got some purple. Oh, the blue's going a little rogue. It's kind of royal blue. This one is maroon. And fuchsia. Whoa, uh-oh. Wow. Okay, we saved fuchsia. She didn't roll off the steps. This one is yellow, standard yellow. And then we have gray. A burnt orange. It's a little more muted from the neon orange color that I have. And Air Force gold. It's a little warmer from the standard yellow. So there we have it. So that's it for this unboxing. I have another package of microcord coming probably next week that just has 4 more neutral or camo-like colors. So maybe not quite as an exciting unboxing for that one, but if you want it, I'll do it.